In this video, I'll show you how to use the composer model in Cursor. First, open Cursor and open the code project you want to work on. Next, open the Composer interface from the Cursor editor. Now describe the task you want Composer to complete, such as creating a feature, updating several files, or fixing a bug. After that, select the Composer model available in your Cursor account and review the available settings before sending your request. Next, include any relevant files or folders in the context so Composer understands the part of the project you want to change. Now send your request and let Composer analyze the code and generate the proposed changes. After that, review the changes carefully before accepting them. You can ask Composer to make adjustments if the result isn't exactly what you need. Next, run your application and tests to verify that the changes work correctly. If you find an issue, describe the error to Composer and ask it to fix the specific problem. Finally, review the final diff and save or commit the changes once everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Composer model in Cursor. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.